Hi, this video will introduce the installation of Akuvox door phone X910 and AI monitor X937, and the basic features of calling, unlocking, and monitoring. The X910 functions as a smart intercom, enabling audio and video communication, surveillance, and access control. Its auxiliary camera at the bottom expands the monitoring field of view, eliminating blind spots, and detects packages, allowing users to be notified when their packages arrive and are taken away. On the other hand, the X937 features a 15.6-inch oversized screen, giving users a wonderful operational and visual experience. Embedded with Google services and AI capabilities, it allows users to interact without the need for tapping the screen. You can view the article describing the configuration of the AI voice assistant Bella in the video introduction. This video covers the installation process for both devices, along with the setup for basic calling, unlocking, and monitoring functions. To start with the X910 installation, it is assumed that there is no embedded box in the wall. First, take out the wall mounting bracket and attach it to the wall. Mark the 4 screw holes. You can use the wall mounting template and stick it to the wall. Ensure the opening aligns with the cable outlet on the wall. Use a 6mm hand drill to drill 4 screw holes with a depth of 20mm. Insert 4 plastic wall anchors into the holes. Then, attach the wall mounting bracket. Secure it with 4 SDX20 crosshead screws. Ensure the screws are tightened and the wall mounting bracket is flush against the wall. Next, mount the X910 onto the bracket. Before that, connect all cables to the device as instructed on the device's quick installation guide. Connect the Ethernet cable to the device through the hole. Secure the wiring cover to the back cover with 4 M3X 4 crosshead screws. Hang the upper slots of the device into the corresponding hooks of the bracket. Align the bottom slot with the hook at the bottom of the bracket and press down vertically. Use the Allen wrench to tighten the handless screw to fix the device. Check if the device is flush with the wall. Let's proceed to the X937 installation, again assuming there is no flush mounting box in the wall. Take out the wall mounting bracket, align the cable hole of the wall mount bracket with the wall opening, and adjust it to a level position. The hole should measure 75mm in height, 75mm in width, and 90mm in depth to accommodate all cables. Mark the 4 fixing holes through the wall mounting bracket on the wall. Use a 6mm hand drill to drill 4 screw holes, each 25mm deep. Insert 4 plastic wall anchors into the holes. Fix the wall mounting bracket on the wall with 4 SDX20 crosshead screws. Next, mount the X937 to the bracket. Before that, connect all cables to the device as instructed on the device's quick installation guide. Connect the Ethernet cable to it through the hole. Hold the device at a slight angle and gently slide its upper hooks into the top hooks of the wall mounting bracket. Move its bottom backward until it fully fits against the bracket. Use the Allen wrench to tighten 2 M4 set screws. Check if the device is flush with the wall before removing the protective film. This video will demonstrate the scenario where the devices are deployed on-premise without connecting to the Smart Plus cloud. Begin by scanning for the device IPs using an IP scanner tool, ensuring your computer is on the same network as the devices. Enter X910's IP address in your web browser and log in using the default username and password, which is admin for both the X910 and X937. To make IP calls between devices, ensure they are on the same local network and that the door phone is added to the AI Monitor's contact list. On the AI Monitor's web interface, navigate to Contacts and select Local Contacts. Click Add and enter the door phone's name, IP address, and camera URL for video streaming. To enable calling via the push button on the X910, we will utilize the group call feature. Click Intercom, Basic. Enter the X937's IP and submit. Next, let's move on to setting up unlocking. We can use DTMF to open the door during a call. On the door phone's web interface, click Access Control, Relay. Set the DTMF value of the relay connected to the door lock. Here we choose 1-digit DTMF code and set it to hashtag. Then, go to the AI Monitor's device relay interface. On the Remote Relay section, set any of the DTMF codes to hashtag. Next, scroll to the soft key in Talking Page part. Enable any of the keys and set its type to Remote Relay DTMF1 since we just set its code to hashtag. To open the door during a call preview or monitoring, we need to use the HTTP command. On the door phone's access control relay interface, find the Open Relay via HTTP section. Enable the function and customize the username and password for authentication. Then, go to the AI Monitor's device relay interface. On the Remote Relay by HTTP section, enter the IP address of the door phone, the URL, and the preset username and password. The door number indicates which relay to trigger, with relay A corresponding to door number 1 and relay B to door number 2. Then, scroll to the soft key in Monitor page and soft key in Call Preview page parts. Enable any of the keys and set its type to Remote Relay by HTTP. To add the door phone to the AI Monitor's monitoring list, you can do this directly on the AI Monitor or through its web interface. On the AI Monitor's web interface, navigate to the device Monitor interface. Click Add. Enter the door phone's IP, name, RTSP URL, username, and password, with the default being admin. You can change these credentials on the door phone surveillance RTSP interface. Click Submit. Now that everything is set up, let's see how these features work in practice. Press the push button of the door phone. The AI Monitor receives the call. Tap the door phone's name on the AI Monitor. The door phone receives the call. During the call, tapping Unlock will successfully open the door. Tap More to view monitoring channels and enlarge the live stream. Tapping Unlock during monitoring opens the door. Thanks for watching.